Okay, good afternoon, everyone. This is going to be the second inequality video because I realized there's a few problems that I didn't get to in the other video. So now we're going to address those right now in this video. So the first problem, let's say you have x minus 2 all over 3 is greater than 2x plus 11. Okay, when you get something like this, notice that 3 at the bottom. You want to get rid of that 3. So you're going to multiply this side by 3, multiply this side by 3. The 3's on the left cancel, so you simply bring down x minus 2 is greater than. Now, since we have an addition in the middle, you have to treat those as two separate terms or numbers. So first, you would multiply the 3 times the 2x, and then 3 times 11. So 3 times 2x gives us 6x. 3 times 11 is going to give us a positive 33. Now, you have x's on both sides and numbers on both sides. You choose where you want to move each one. And for this example, let's move the x over here. So we're going to do minus x minus x. So the x's cancel out here. So we are going to bring down the negative 2 is greater than 6x minus x gives us positive 5x. Bring down plus 33. Now we have to get rid of the 33. So we do minus 33 on this side, minus 33, cancel here. Negative 2 plus a negative 33 is a negative 35 is greater than 5x, which we just brought down. And then you divide by 5x here, divide by 5x here. Answer is going to be negative. Sorry, not divide by 5x, divide just by 5. It threw me off. So negative 35 divided by 5 is negative 7 is greater than x. So x is less than negative 7. That is going to be your answer for that one. The next one, let's say you have x minus 6 is less than 2 times x plus 2. So notice in that second half of the problem, we have to distribute. So we bring down x minus 6. Now let's do our distribution. We have to do 2 times x, which gives us 2x, and then 2 times 2, which gives us 4. So we have x's on both sides. It's up to you where you want to move the x. This time, let's move the x to the left. So we're going to do minus 2x minus 2x here. So let's see what happens. X minus 2x, that gives us a negative x minus 6 is less than 4. And I'm going to slide the paper down here, there. All right, we continue. We need to get rid of that 6. So we do plus 6, cancels. Negative x is less than 6 plus 4 is 10. Now you cannot have a negative x for your answer. So you're going to divide by a negative 1, divide by a negative 1. That gets rid of the negative, so x comes down. And since you divide by a negative, you switch the sign, so it's going to be greater than 10 divided by negative 1 is negative 10. And the reason why I divided by a negative 1, that ensures basically you're moving that negative to the opposite side. With the inequality, when you move it to the opposite side and you divide by a negative, then you have to switch the sign, and -1 will move that sign over to the right side. So your answer here is x is greater than -10. And again, this is the second video of inequalities, and this will help you complete the worksheets that were uploaded to Google Classroom. Thank you.